Hey everyone, this is Kevin Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time here with me today on my media channel. Today we are unboxing a rare video game. We are unboxing Story of Seasons Grand Bazaar, the Nintendo Switch 2 edition. Now, why are we unboxing this particular game? Especially since this is probably not going to be a very popular game, maybe not even a big seller. I know this series used to be the Harvest Moon series, but then there was some weird legal thing where some other company got to keep the Harvest Moon name, so this reverted back to the original Story of Seasons title. So anyway, this is a farm simulator game, as you can see on the back. And, for a portable system game, because Switch 2 is basically a portable system for the most part, that's probably the perfect kind of game for something like this. The reason I bought this, and take note, companies that are releasing games on Switch 2, is because this is not a game key card. For those of you who are not aware, although most of you probably are, a game key card is something where the game is not actually on the cartridge. You pop in the cartridge and you download it. It's pointless. It's absolutely pointless. And there are several Switch 2 games I have not bought, primarily Bravely Default HD, because they're on key cards, not on the cartridge itself. But this one is on the cartridge. So with me wanting to build my Switch 2 library in a meaningful way, I picked it up for that sole reason alone. Now, the last time I did that, which was Rune Guardians, not only was I pleasantly surprised by the game, but the physical game itself came with more than just the cartridge. It came with like an instruction booklet, if you can believe it or not. So we're going to open this and see if you get more than just the cartridge. It feels a little weighty, so I'm hoping that that is the case. And, so they always make these so hard to unwrap, although granted there's a $60 game. By the way, this is also a $60 game, not an $80 game. That's another reason. I'm not going to buy an $80 game. I'm going to be very, very picky about $70 games, like very picky. Those I'll probably wait for sales. So, 60s kind of my limit for games. Just another thing if any game publishers are out there watching this. Okay. Oh, what do you know? We did get a travel guide. By the way, there's great artwork in these things. Let's take this out. It's kind of a shame that the red case kind of covers stuff like this up. But yeah, see, that's really cool artwork. It's really colorful, and it's hard to appreciate it with the red case. There's only so much you can do. These are the cases Nintendo wanted, so you got to work with it. But there was some nice artwork there. There's the game, as you can see, and it's not a key card. The key card symbol would be there if it was. Now let's look at the travel guide. So let's see here. Welcome. So yep, it's an actual. They've got a story in here. They've got characters. Yep, there is actually, and it's written like it's an instruction manual, literally written like it's a travel guide. It even has little ads in there and everything. This is really, really cool. this is I love it when they do things like this. I mean, I guess we're going to spend extra for the actual game cartridge. Sponsors, and these are probably all places. Here's the warranty, of course. I love it. I love it because most of the time this area is blank. It was like that with the Switch days. But so far, 2 out of the 4 Switch 2 games that I bought had instruction manuals. I really like that. And by the way, if you do things like, if you do things like that, it will stand out to your buyer and people like me when we make these sort of videos. So now I guess I just have to play the game and see if it's any good, see if I can tear myself away from Chibi Robo, which was dropped on the GameCube app long enough to do that. So anyway, folks, what do you think of this package? What do you think of this setup? Is this a game that you are planning to buy? And by the way, is the fact that the full game is on the cartridge, does that increase your interest in buying this physically as opposed to if it was a game key card? Please leave that comment because I definitely want to hear if because I think it needs to be said like, hey, if you're going to go out of your way to buy something just because the full game's on the cartridge, I think people need to hear that. So anyway, I'd like to know. So comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and as always, I'll see you at the movies. Take care, everyone.
Hey, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Just a few more things. First of all, the names that you see on the screen, these are our Patreon and YouTube member supporters. And I thank each and every one of them. Their support helps me make exclusive videos for Patreon and YouTube members, as well as keep the channel running. And of course, is just of huge kindness to me. Also, don't forget to check out the iCritic-led podcast on Spotify, Apple, Google, Deezer, whatever podcasting service you listen to. It is there. We definitely want to see you there. And hey, there's also other videos that you can check out. So, check out these other channels, these other videos, especially that one. I think that's a really good one.